Well, we're back on the grinder, and what we're doing is investigating errors because, well, let me go over to the granite surface plate and show you. You may recall that I ground this surface on our sine plate, and then I moved my wheel with the DRO and I ground this surface on the sine plate. And of course, the DRO said 5.0000 inches. But when I went to measure it, and I used this stack of gauge blocks as a reference. First, I stacked some gauge blocks to match this height, and I verified it with an indicator across there. Then I stood this stack of gauge blocks on top of this one. I came out with this surface being 1/1000th of an inch low. That's a lot. I didn't expect that. So I'm investigating why that happened. So back to the grinder. So we took another stack of gauge blocks. That's a 5-inch stack of gauge blocks with a gauge block at the end. You'll see why. That's 5 inches. And we set up a tenths indicator on the grinder. Yes, I know that this is a flexible arrangement. And we measured from this surface to the top of that little gauge block. So basically we're measuring the 5 inches, and furthermore we're approaching it the same way every time. And when we approach it, we're approaching it in 10 millionths clicks. Okay, so we're just doing the same thing every time. We did that 3 times, and we received 3 readings. We did that for the 3 times for the back, 3 times for the front, and then we're taking the numbers off the DRO. And here's the results. The results are an error of 3.1 tenths, which is, okay, but it is what it is. That's the accumulated error from everything. So if we use that as a reasonable expectation, and then we look at the error we got over on the granite plate of 1/1000th of an inch, we can fairly say that the 1/1000th of an inch is significant. So, we're off at least a couple of tenths on that measurement, and I think my plan of action is to record it. We'll make a careful measurement, as careful as I could make it, record it, and then we'll engrave it on the instrument as to what that distance is. It's supposed to be 5.0000. It's going to be 4.999, probably something. But anyway, that's the update. Probably could have thought this through better and approached the grinding differently. One of the ways I might have approached the grinding is to intentionally leave some and then basically lap it in. Is it critical? Yeah, I don't know. We're still looking at 5 inches, so 1/1000th of an inch over 5 inches is 1 part in 5,000. It is what it is, as long as you don't expect more. Anyway, more to come on this. There's one other error measurement I wanted to show you, and that is this surface to this surface. So let me clarify that a little bit. I checked for flatness of the back surface, what is really the top surface. I checked for flatness on that, and I confirmed that I'm happy laying it on the granite surface plate. So that was another little procedure I did with some other blocks. So now that we're on the surface plate, we went in here and we measured the height of this surface, and then we went over and we measured the height of this surface. This surface is 3/10 high. Don't have a good explanation. I think it's because of the grinding conditions here. You may recall that we couldn't really move the wheel very much. So we may be getting some of the wheel shape on this surface, or on this surface we were able to retract the wheel under grinding conditions the whole way. So it's a slightly different problem. I'm glad that it's proud and it's 3/10 high, So what my plan is, the other thing, I made another error. Let me see if I can show you this error. There was, let's see if you can see it. Yeah, there is a relief cut here, but I did not grind all the way to the relief. And I consider that to be an error, okay? So we have plenty of meat to regrind this surface, and I'm gonna go in and do that with the goal of getting these guys, again, coplanar. So I only have 3/10 to play with, but I'm going to grind, and I'm also going to capture this surface, and I'm also going to do it with a freshly dressed wheel and get these guys coplanar. So we're chasing some errors. The errors are, 1/1000th and under. So it's not bad, but it's not perfect yet.